Hello, sir.
Hello. How are you?
Fine. What about you?
Going great.
Are you free now?
Yeah. In between shooting, I got a little gap. That's why
Okay.
sitting here.
Okay. Sir, can we do a practice now?
Oh, wow. Now free. We'll do a practice. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Now you are talking and very much improving. Okay.
Yes.
You want to implement this talking capacity in your family too.
Okay.
That's why we'll do a boy and a father practice.
Okay.
Just like a family. You act like a boy. I'll act like a father.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Today is Sunday. You're off.
Ah.
No school, no class and all. Okay. Then you playing with the mobile or something.
Okay.
Which is your favorite item, you can take it. Then I'll come and ask.
Okay.
Hello Monu, what are you doing?
Hello, Dad.
Today is Sunday.
Yes.
Today no school, nothing.
No school.
What are you doing now?
I'm watching cartoon.
Oh, which is your favorite cartoon program?
Tom and Jerry.
Oh, you playing with the Tom and Jerry. Nice.
Yes.
Okay. Then one thing you can do, you can practice English also together by watching this Tom and Jerry.
Okay.
Okay, just reduce the volume by seeing the situations and the visuals. You can say live commentary.
Okay.
Just to make an attempt.
Oh yes, Tom is running behind Jerry. Wow.
Wow.
Jerry is jumping to box. Oh my God, it's amazing. Tom is also jump behind him.
Wow.
Jerry is running towards cake. Tom is just behind him. Wow.
Yeah.
Now Jerry reached near cake.
Wow.
Tom is a meter behind him.
Wow.
Wow. Tom overtook him and took the cake.
Wow, very good. Super. How is it?
Very nice.
A cartoon game together with you can use for developing your English. What's the idea, boy?
Very
Monu?
nice.
Very nice. Okay. How was the school practices going on?
Going good.
Yeah. Christmas exam on which day? 29th starting.
29th starting.
Oh, starting. Everything you preparing?
Yeah, prepared.
Yesterday, how was the class?
Yesterday it was nice.
You told some dance teacher or new dance teacher teaching something variety steps.
Yes.
Can you teach me that steps?
Yes.
Very good,
I
very
will
good.
teach you.
I am your student. You teach me. Okay, that all the steps.
Okay.
Good idea.
Ah.
Okay.
മാട് സുത്ത മനുഷ്യത്തിനെ തോള വെച്ച് മേലെ കെട്ടി അഡ്രഡ നാക്കുമുക്ക മാട് സുത്ത മനുഷ്യത്തിനെ തോള വെച്ച് മേലെ കെട്ടി അഡ്രഡ നാക്കുമുക്ക അഡ്രഡ നാക്കുമുക്ക അഡ്രഡ നാക്കുമുക്ക.
Wow, super. Okay, take some almonds. You are performing a nice boy, good boy. Okay.
Thank you.
It's okay? Okay. How was the study?
Going nice.
Which subjects you seems difficulty?
Mathematics.
Okay. You have some doubt related to maths too. You have any doubt?
Yeah, multiplication have some doubts.
Oh, multiplication have some doubts. I'll give you a easy way to multiply. Okay. If you know addition, multiplication also you can do it. Okay. Multiplication is repeated addition is multiplication.
Oh.
Okay, got it. For example, on a simple number you said to multiply
2 and 4.
2 into 4.
2 into 4.
2 into 4. Okay. Then 1, 2. Just counting we do. Okay. 2 into 4. That means we will make sets of 2. How many sets we want to make? 4 sets we want to make it.
Okay.
Got it? 2 into 4. That we make sets of 2.
4.
4 sets we will make like that. Okay. Then all together we will count it. You count it then.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Answer is
8.
Just with what we say counting, you can do multiplication.
Okay.
Got it? That we say repeated addition is multiplication. That means 2 into 4 is what is the meaning of 2 into 4?
4 times 2 repeating.
That means 4 times 2 repeating. See, 1 time repeated, 2 time repeated, 3 time repeated, 4th time repeated. Now you got it.
Okay, got it.
On another number you practice it now. You take it. Okay. 3 into 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. That means we will make sets of
3.
3. How many sets we want to make?
3 sets of
3
3.
sets of 3 we want to make it. Now then counting.
Okay.
Now you understanding?
Yeah, got it.
Very good. No thanks, huh?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
Okay, thank you, beta. You are so brilliant. Okay.
Okay.
Very good. But this type of so many interesting games we will do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. English also we can learn with so many puzzles, games. Okay.
Wait.
Okay, you can take it.
Thank you, sir.
It's a reward for your brilliancy. Huh? So many things you learned, huh?
Yes.
Then we will wind up with a thrilling song.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Super, 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 super. Super, 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 super. Congrats, 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 congrats. Congrats, 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 congrats. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.